Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today guys, I have created one YouTube channel called Techify. In this channel guys, I will give you tech related content. For example, like Windows tutorial. In Windows tutorial guys, I will show you Windows tips, tricks and Windows error troubleshooting and about software update, and I will give you MS Office tutorial on MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. Same I will give you tutorial on Android device. In Android device guys, I will show you Android app review, Android error troubleshooting, Android software update and about Android tips, tricks, and also I will give you tutorial about internet tips, tricks and internet security, and also I will give you the product unboxing and review. So this all type of content I will give you on this channel. So please guys subscribe to Techify channel and stay connected with us, and please guys support this channel, subscribe and stay connected with us. Thank you guys. I will meet you on the next tutorial.